Greetings, ladies and gents. So, I've got a special post for you guys. I got some family with me. Look at that. Ain't that cute? Beautiful family. Listen, so I'm shooting this video for a very special reason. It's near and dear to me. I'm going to put the camera on me because I want you to feel what I'm saying. This house that we're in right now, we're in the living room. I shot another video of it. My fiance, my son-in-law, my daughter. So this is a project we're all in on together. This has been a dream of mine to bring my family into what I do, which is real estate investing, because I feel like it is the fastest path to wealth. And I'm just going to hear from them really quick. I'm not going to take up too much of your time or their time. I can take up as much of their time as I want to. But, okay, so from left to right, we've got my fiance, Tammy. I was going to call her Fanny. She's the broker on this project. We got the son-in-law, investor, and the daughter, investor, and then me, the genius. So we want to just hear from some people. Real quick, what does this mean to you? What does this project mean? You can sum it up in one sentence.
Growth.
Growth. Okay, I like that. How about you, brother? This is cute, my son-in-law.
Life changing.
Life changing. Is this the beginning of something?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay, all right. And you?
Yeah, this is our first investment property, so it's very exciting and learning something new, you know?
Right. And so an interesting thing about these two is that they're buying an investment property before they're actually buying a property to live in. And this ain't a bad damn property to have, by the way.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? I've showed, if you want to see how the property looks, go back, look at it. But we know as a family that we have to be focused and intentional about building generational wealth. And that is why we're here. We're out kind of looking at our scope of work and the things that we're going to need to get done, so we all understand that we're on a timeline, deadline. Tammy and I are getting married in 3 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And so we've got a lot that we're planning. But listen, let me tell you, business don't wait, money don't sleep, and money loves speed. So that's what we're doing. Anybody got any parting words? Anybody want to say anything deep? Philosophical?
Brother Q is the one for the job.
Brother Q, you the guy. Go for it. What you want to say, man?
I think this is a good opportunity, not for just this family, but for anybody that's in the real estate business. If you're looking for something to pass down to your family, your children,
Preach.
this is something that they could do. Something, a good family project. Showing them the real estate business, getting them invested in properties. That way they can pass it down.
I love it. So this brother's starting a business. Also, he's in the midst of starting it. But you know what? Somebody's always going to need somewhere to live, right? They're going to need food. They're going to need shelter and clothing. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for coming in on this venture. We're going to hit a home run with it. Actually, our first contractor comes in tomorrow. So we closed yesterday, officially. We closed yesterday. And what's going to happen is our landscapers are coming out. We're going to do our flooring last. We're going to get the painters in here. We don't really need to do a lot in here. I mean, because the property is not in bad shape. This was built in 2006. We got a fireplace. I'll just kind of point up the stairs because I've already done a tour through the house. Yeah, and so that's kind of what's going on here. And if you want to see the house, by all means, go to the video I posted before. And that's it. So me and the fans, we out. We're going to go get some wings. So that's why we're making this short. Bye, y'all.